Lots of our clients ask us, what is the best way to get help for their computer problems? Well, today I'm here to tell you, the Idealogical Portal. This is where you can enter a ticket, see what's going on with other tickets you may have entered, and even check out our knowledge base. The portal lets you communicate here with the help desk team at Idealogical so that your problems are solved in a timely manner. First, you need to log in. You can do this from any web browser by going to www.myidealogical.com. Now, you need to enter your login info, which is your email address and the password that has been given to you by the help desk. Did you forget your login info? No big deal. Just click here and a new one will be sent to you by email. Click Submit to continue. Now that you're inside the portal, you can do many different things, like create a ticket by clicking here. To make it faster, we have some predefined problems already set for you. For example, I can't print, I need a new application installed, or I need a file restored. Answer the questions below as best as you can, with as much detail as you can. Give us a date that you need this done by, if applicable, and ensure that all your contact information is correct. All the information about the problem and the ticket go directly to our dispatcher, Amanda, who will prioritize the call to make sure it gets solved quickly. Want to see the status of an existing ticket? Just click here and then click on the ticket and you will see everything you want to know about that ticket. Once we receive your request, you will get a confirmation email. This indicates that we received everything correctly and that we are working on the problem. At this point, you should expect a call back from one of our friendly staff members. If you want to learn more about the Idealogical Portal, please visit the link at the end of the video.